was looking for a new power bank to test out and I found this one. I went ahead and bought it. Yeah, this is a non-biased review. It has a fast charge, portable, and a huge capacity, obviously. Kind of like an anchor box, which is pretty interesting. Right here, as you can see, just some warning information and the model. So this is the 26,800 milliamp solar charger. It's not solar, it's just wireless charging. Let's get into it. Power your life, power your work. Thank you card, and then 12 months of warranty. Dear customer. Right here you have a user manual. One has a power indicator, I forgot. It has an LED display. Shows you how to use the wireless charger. Alright, so let's get the power bank first. We're gonna put it to the side. Cables. I like the packaging. Alright, so we have a type C. Ooh, we have a type C to type C and a type A to type C. So you have variations to be able to charge it. Here's the power bank. Wow. Okay, this design, it has similar to the one I did a long time ago, a 10,000 milliamp. I really like the texture though. It's heavy. So right here you have a power button. It is 36%. I don't know if you can see that, but 36%. It even has like a little blue thing to let you know the wireless charger is active. Okay, and then on the top you have 4 ports. So you have a PD port, which is a power delivery port, meaning you can charge devices or charge the device itself. You have a 3.0 port, a 2.0 port, and a micro USB charging port, which I like that they have variations of how to charge it. I believe you can use both of these and then fast charge. I wouldn't recommend that, just to be safe. Use the USB Type-C. It's a fingerprint magnet, I can tell. Go ahead and test out the wireless charging real quick. Alright, so we should be able to just place the device to press the button. So far, okay, I can see it's charging in the case right here. But they are charging. That's amazing. So wireless charging does work. Really helpful. I'm actually going to need this because I do need another 20,000 milliamp power bank, and this one looks really good. Got a polycarbonate, however, it's not made of any fancy materials, so it might not last a long time because if you drop it, obviously it's gonna break. Really about that. We'll see the life expandity of it, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. These ports, we're gonna go ahead and test out the in and out port. We have a USB Type-C cable, the one that was included, and there we go, it's charging. And keep it here for a bit, see how fast it charges. So it's at 51% at 2:32 p.m. We're gonna go and charge it for about 10 minutes and then we're gonna see what it's at. All right, as you can see, I went a little bit over time, but it is at 68% right now. I don't know if it was at 61 or 51%, but that was with the included charger. So I don't think it's all that good. So if you have like a better one or 18 watt and above cable, then that would work a lot better, because this device I know for a fact charges really fast and it didn't really. I'm gonna have to go over the clip again though. If it was at 51%, then this is fast. If it was at 61%, then this is horrible. But yeah, overall thoughts, I really like it. It just doesn't have a flashlight, solar charger, or anything like that. It's not a tactical one, it's just modern, but it is really good for that reason. I wish one thing that it had a little stand here, little clip or something to hold the phone in place. So if you were to put your phone here, it would charge, and then some legs in the back so you can watch video and have it charge. That'd be really cool. But other than that, this is an amazing device. Highly recommend it.